Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at La Patera Elementary School in Goleta, California, and it's my second visit to their campus. Just an honor to be back here to get to share my heart with the Tiger community. Today we took it up a level from last time when I spoke on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you look at your best friend, and talked about diversity, right? We focused on that and the need for human kindness, right? And so I'm outside of their cafeteria right now where we had our assemblies for all the grades today, 2 separate programs that were age appropriate for each of them, with different heartfelt stories, inspirational videos, positive music to really reinforce a message of kindness. And it says this on one of their posters outside the NPR/cafeteria, kindness, peace, equality, love, inclusion, hope, and diversity, right? Which is our differences. But we need to appreciate and respect all of our differences, both on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, our skin color, the foods that we eat, the clothes that we wear, our culture, our background, the languages that we speak, but also what's on the inside, right? Our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we're good at. We have to really honor all of that. And that requires a huge amount of kindness. And what it says on the front of my shirt, need human kindness. The peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace has to begin. And there's 2 people inside this heart. My friend and I designed this a few years ago because the idea is that we have to show kindness to ourselves, but also to others, right? We have to not only receive the kindness, which, it takes courage to do that. Sometimes it's not easy to receive compliments or just people that are trying to build us up. But once we do receive that, now it's up to us to go give that, right, to someone else. And the way that we give that is by really, truly seeing others, right, as human beings before anything else too. And that means that we see them for this, right? Every part of my assemblies, every assembly I give, I talk about the M on all of our hands with the lines on our hands. We all have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have an M. Trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we really buy into that concept, now it's up to us to go and, see that others are miracles around us, especially those that have never been told that, or those that have forgotten that need a reminder. And from some students that came up to me after my programs today that just said, Mr. Peace, what you told me, what you shared just touched my heart to the nth degree. And I almost cried. Some students did cry, so that's okay. Tears are strength, or the sweat of our strength, the start of healing and feeling again. But to know that, they're already going through something at a young age, something is already tugging at their heart cords, that's a sign that, they're hungry for that love, for that unconditional love that we also mentioned today, love without any conditions, and that they really are just wanting to show that kindness, right? Part of the Tiger way is to, show that kindness first, choose kindness first, to be responsible, be respectful, be safe. That's the Tiger way here at La Patera. And the students got that, they really took it to heart. And the ones that really did reach out to me and say, Mr. Peace, I loved it. I loved every part of it. They were all ears, they were all heart, the entire presentation. And for the pin drop moments, that's what I'm always looking for. And that's what happened today. And it's just so encouraging to me to know that our young people are picking up that torch for change, that they, want to embody these principles that we see on the wall behind me, and then some. So thank you all for touching my heart. A beautiful day. Hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, they'll have a great rest of the school year. And feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can click the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to visit my website and track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.